Today we will discuss about female reproductive system. In the previous video we have discussed about the male reproductive system. In the female reproductive system, this consists ovary, here is ovary, in the one pair, fallopian tube, it's also known as the oviduct, it's also in the one pair, uterus, uterine cervix, and uterine cervix is divided into two parts, endocervix and ectocervix. A vagina, accessory genital glands and external genital mammary glands. Female reproductive system supported to a female in the process of ovulation, fertilization, in the pregnancy, birth, and also in the care of their child. Now we will discuss about the structure of ovary. Ovary is the primary female sex organ and it produces ovum, and ovum is the female gamete. In the male, gamete is the sperm. Ova is reproduced by this ovary, and ovary also secrete the hormone estrogen and progesterone. Ovary is situated on the each side at the lower abdomen, behind and below the fallopian tube. एब्डोमेन के पीछे और fallopian tube यानी ओविडक्ट के नीचे ओवरी सिचुएटेड होती है. And size of the ovary is the 2 to 4 centimeter. And in the lower abdomen wall, it is situated with the ligament wall. It is known as the mesovarium. Mesovarium has the blood vessels. ओवरी जो है वो एब्डोमेन में किसके मदद से सिचुएटेड होती है, वो लिगामेंट मेसोवेरियम कहलाता है, और मेसोवेरियम ब्लड वेसल्स को भी अपने साथ साथ रखते हैं ताकि ओवरी को सपोर्टिंग मिल सके. अब आते हैं स्ट्रक्चर पर. इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओवरी. जो ओवरी है वो क्यूबिकल जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम की बनी हुई है. इंटरनल जो इसका स्ट्रक्चर है वो स्ट्रोमा कहलाता है. इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो स्ट्रोमा कहलाता है. एंड इन द स्ट्रोमा देयर इज सिचुएटेड मैनी नर्वस सेल्स, blood vessels, and also the spherical structure known as the Graafian follicle. And in the many cells of the Graafian follicle, only one cell will be mature. And in the Graafian follicle, some cells of the Graafian follicles is in the lower size, in the bigger size, and when it will be in the bigger size, it's known as the mature Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle has also the oocyte in their structure. It's a spherical structure of the some cells, and it has oocytes in their structure. When it will be mature, we discuss about only one cell which is the mature. In the Graafian follicle, a cavity-like structure will be formed. This is known as the antrum. This cavity is known as the antrum, and it's have the fluid. It's known as the follicular fluid. Come to the mature Graafian follicle. In the mature Graafian follicle, it is the spherical structure, and in the middle size oocytes. Oocyte means ovum. In the Graafian follicle, it may be generated ovum, and ovum is also help in the fertilization. In a cell, ovum, and there is the outer cell. It consists the layer of the two cells. Which cell ligament, which cell structure attached to the ovum is known as the zona pellucida, and zona pellucida is a transparent stage. And here we see the two layers of the cells, and these two layers of the cells make a cavity, and this cavity is known as the follicular cavity. Connection of the ovum and the outer cells is known as the discus proligerus. Connection of the ovum and the outer cells is known as the discus proligerus, and it have the connection of the mature ovum. When the germinal follicle, Graafian follicle, is mature, then it will be rupture and ovum comes outside for the fertilization, and ovum comes out. Graafian follicle से जब ओवम मैच्योर हो जाता है तो ये रप्चर हो जाता है और ओवम बाहर आ जाता है. ओवम तब बाहर आता है जब उसको फर्टिलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. When the ovum comes out, then its Graafian follicle filled with the blood and make the corpus luteum. And corpus luteum is a yellowish color glandular structure and stay after the fertilization and secrete the progesterone hormone. जैसे ही ओवम बाहर निकल कर के आ जाएगा, फॉलिकल कैविटी ब्लड से भर जाएगी और तब ये स्ट्रक्चर कार्पस लूटियम कहलाता है. जो कार्पस लूटियम है वो येलोइश कलर का होता है, और अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाता है ओवम और स्पर्म के बीच में तो ये कार्पोल्यूसियम स्टे कर जाता है, रुक जाता है. और अगर प्रेगनेंसी अकर्स नहीं हो पाती है, परसिस्ट नहीं हो पाती है, तब ये कार्पस लूटियम क्या होता है, डीजनरेट हो जाता है. ये डीजनरेट हो जाएगा और वाइटिस स्कैर्स बन जाएंगे, अदर सेल्स बन जाएंगी वाइटिस स्कैर्स. इसको कहा जाएगा कार्पस एल्बिकेनस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.